Adobe MAX, one of Adobe's most prestigious events. It attracts over 15,000 people worldwide, and they all come here, the Los Angeles Convention Center. By the way, that's 15,000 creative people from organizations, businesses, freelancers, professional people, and these are people who are truly amazing at what they do. Now, what makes this event so special is not only the amazing updates that Adobe will be releasing, but, and most importantly, it's those connections that you make with everyone from all around the globe, from all different businesses who each share the same thing with each other, and that is producing and creating content. And of course, learning what other similar businesses do and how they can learn from them. So, travel with me to Adobe MAX 2023. Come along with me on this journey. Double espresso, please. Thank you. One by one. Howdy, how are we? Right at the back. So much, man. Have a good one. Buddy. Oh, I remember this guy. How are you, man? Yeah, we just got it now. I know you guys are coming. I've just walked into my hotel room and listen to what I'm greeted with. Thank you so much.